Welcome to a video tour of the Church Solutions Company mobile app. Here we are on the home page of the app and we see a nice 5-image slideshow that rotates through. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the interior pages. Let's take a look at the Bible. Here we have the entire Bible inside of the app. Several versions of the Bible are available. You also can have a nice grow or faith or pray section. This involves links to a lot of existing resources. All of these resources are optional, and you will see in the video tour of our backend editor that it's very easy to add and remove these resources. But here you can get a sense of some possible resources that you might be able to put inside of your app. You could also link to denomination-specific resources. If that external resource is mobile friendly, then it looks very nice inside the app. Sometimes the user may not even know that they're looking at an external resource. Also notice that they stay inside of the app. Again, these are all example resources. You can add or remove these. You don't have to include these particular resources. It just shows a feature of the app. Again, they all look nice right inside the app. The user is not leaving the app. The app also has GPS abilities. You can call or get GPS directions or email right from this page. Videos work very well inside the app. Here's an example of embedding an actual YouTube channel. Okay, let's take a look at some other resources that are available inside the app. Here we have a nice prayer wall or discussion board. Users can post directly and respond to each other's posts. You as the admin can delete and remove these posts if you'd like. The user has to sign in with Facebook, Twitter, or Google, which helps verify their identity. Their posts are not made to any of those social media sites. It's just used as a simple login process. You can embed Google Calendar or any online calendar nicely inside the app. Here's an example of Google Calendar in Agenda View inside the app. Here we have an example of info tabs or info pages. This is information that is typed directly into the app. A lot of the resources we've shown so far have been external websites embedded in the app, but these are resources that are typed directly in the app. And with the backend app editing tool, you are able to update these resources yourself. On this page, which is a staff page, the user can click to email or click to call right from the staff page. And again, just more examples of what are called info pages or info tabs, where the content is directly in the app and not an external resource. Let's take a look at sermons. MP3s can be played right inside the app. Here's an example of 4 sermons that have been recorded. The user just clicks play. You can also have a nice photo gallery. The user can click on an image and it displays in a large format on the screen. And the user can scroll through those images. Check-in rewards is a very neat feature. You might want to give a reward to students for attending a certain number of Bible studies, and what happens is the student would present the app to the youth minister, and the youth minister would type in a secret code, and when that code is typed in, a virtual stamp is added to the stamp card. And when the number of stamps is reached, a t-shirt could be rewarded or anything of your choice. You can have unlimited number of these check-in rewards, so you could use it for men's groups or women's groups or service projects or anything that you could imagine. Voice Notes allows you to record notes, audio notes right inside the app. Notepad allows you to record actual physical notes inside the app by typing. Social media embeds external social media resources very well inside the app. Here's an example of a Twitter feed being pulled right into the app. An example of Facebook being pulled right into the app. Messages are where push notifications are stored. In the backend editor, you can send out push notifications to all of these devices. They will appear as real pop-up push notifications on the user's device. Even if they're outside of the app, they'll get the alert. This is simply where those messages are stored inside the app for further reference. Let's take a look at Donate. Now, the most common thing that churches do is they will simply link to their existing online donation system. In this example, we would link to this church's Shelby online giving. There's various vendors, of course, and when you go this route, you don't have to do anything. We just connect to your online giving that you have, and everything stays in place. We do also offer a quick give, so if you don't have online donations, you can use our quick give form, or some churches will offer both because our quick give form is in fact so simple and easy to use. We'll give you a quick demo here of how easy this is. You simply type in an email address and a dollar amount, and then you're taken to the credit card page. Now notice no username or password, not even don't even need a address. So it's email address, donation amount, credit card info, and submit, and that's the quick give. So again, some churches like to use our quick give form along with their more robust tool because it's just so easy to take donations through our tool. Go back to the app. These are example resources. You can have more. You see there's only so many on this page, but you can keep adding pages. You saw examples of the info tabs, which we showed in About Us, and you saw website tabs, which we showed in the Grow section. You can keep adding websites and info tabs to the app. You can also have multiple location tabs in case you have multiple campuses or maybe retreat offsite. Really, you can have multiple of any of these resources. We're just showing you what's possible here. We do set up the app for you and get it ready in the app stores, so it's very easy on your end. Then you simply use the back-end editor to update, maintain the app, and send out those push notifications. We hope you enjoyed this video tour. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.